So for this mobilization exercise, we'll be dealing with, let's say we have lateral or medial elbow pain, golfers or tennis elbow. This is called muscle flossing. It's a fantastic way to kind of mobilize the musculature in and around that elbow, get that joint moving correctly. It's kind of difficult to do by yourself, but with a little bit of practice, you can do it. Once again, with muscle flossing, we want to start distal and work our way up, okay? So with the elbow, we're going to start right about at the forearm. And just bear with me as I get this thing wrapped around me. But we'll get that first, kind of pinch it down with your leg, maybe here. Once again, it's kind of difficult to do by yourself, but once we get that first initial wrap on there, we can usually roll with it then. Get it kind of tight. There we go. Okay, so once again, we're gonna do about 50% of how far we can stretch that band. And we're gonna 50% overlap, and we're just gonna wrap this around as many times as we can, working our way up the elbow, going all the way up. This is great, fantastic for pitchers with baseball and whatnot, tennis players. Once again, this will take a little bit of practice if you are doing this by yourself. It's just the nature of the beast. But we're going to try to get that thing tucked in to itself so it doesn't go anywhere. And just like that. And all we're gonna do with this exercise is just gonna take that arm, we're gonna bend it a couple times. So do this 5 to 10 times. You will eventually cut blood supply off to your hand. So if that time comes, obviously unwrap it. But once we pump this 5, 10 times, we're gonna start doing some wrist rotation with it too. So kind of make a bicep, straighten it back out, make a tricep, and just kind of go back and forth. And once again, we're just flossing these muscle fibers, getting that thing moving good. So my hand is just starting to go numb, so I'm gonna do a couple more. Once again, you're only gonna be here for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then you'll be done. So then just unwrap it, take it off, and you will get an instant feeling of kind of increased mobility and flexibility with that elbow. It'll feel nice and loosened up for you.